Good morning, class 11. So, as per the routine, today we have accountancy. So, today we will understand meaning of accounting and or you can say what is accountancy. Okay, let us understand what is accounting. So, accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction, and events, which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So, accounting is an art of recording all the transactions and in terms of money. So, from there, we can interpret what is going on in business, means whether the business is in loss or profit. Now, Accounting Principle Board, that is APB, defines accounting in the following words. Accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities, that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions, in making reasoned choices among all, or you can say among alternative courses of action. Accounting includes several branches, example financial accounting, managerial accounting, and government accounting. So this definition is as per the APB, that is Accounting Principles Board. So accounting principle boards define accounting is a service. According to APB, accounting is service activities and its main function is to provide quantitative information about the transaction in terms of financial. It is related with the economic because we record all the economic transaction which is related to profit and loss. It accumulates, measures, and communicates numbers and measurable quantities of economic information about an enterprise. Accumulation refers to recording and classifying data in journals and ledgers. Measurement refers to the quantification of business transactions that have occurred or that may occur. Communication refers to relevant and reliable information to users of accounting information. So here also accounting includes several branches, like example you can say financial accounting, managerial accounting, and government accounting. So every one of them they uses accounting for their financial transaction, for their economic transaction. Now, objectives of accounting. So what are the objective of accounting? Why actually we prepare accounting? So the main objective is to keep a systematic record of financial transaction that affects the business enterprises. So the main objective of accounting is to keep a systematic record of all the financial transaction of the enterprises of the business. Second is to ascertain the profit earned or losses incurred by the business unit during a particular accounting period. So it also accounting helps us to know the profit and loss earned by the business during a particular period of time, means during a 1 year, that is accounting year, accounting period. Number third is to ascertain the financial position of the business unit at the end of the accounting period. So third one is to know the financial position of the business at the end of the accounting period, means at the end of the accounting period after 1 year, to know whether the it has been increased or decreased, means financial position of the business is in loss or profit, actual position of the business. Number 4 is to exercise control over business assets and properties. So it also helps us to control over business assets and properties. Number 5 is to facilitate business decision making. So it helps us in making the decision of a business. Thank you, class 11. I hope you all understood this.